Want to scan documents with your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone. Tap the Create New Note button at the bottom right. Now, tap the attachment icon above your keyboard and select Scan Documents. Point your iPhone's camera at the document you want to scan. The app will automatically detect the edges and capture it for you. If it doesn't, just tap the shutter button to take the scan manually. You can also adjust the corners by dragging them to fit the page. Once you're happy, tap Done, and then save when you're done scanning all pages. Your scanned document is now stored inside Notes, and you can share it as a PDF or image anytime. And that's it. You've successfully scanned a document with your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.